pork rib. Oh! Oh no! I almost dropped it. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Oh yeah. There we go. See?
Lot of juice. Okay. Perfect.
Alright guys, we're gonna make some pork rib chow fun, and we start with some pork ribs, chow fun, some fresh chow fun, green onions, vegetable of your choice. Here we just have a large bok choy, ginger, and some garlic. Those are ingredients. To marinate the pork ribs, we use white pepper, olive oil, cornstarch, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, some rice wine. And if you're feeling fancy, black beans.
Typically this is made with black beans, however we have some picky eaters at home, so we did not add the black beans.
Let's start by rinsing our pork ribs a couple of times. You want to rinse your meat a couple of times until you see the water is clear. After that, we're going to go ahead and dry off our meat. Use a paper towel to squeeze out the excess water. Repeat this process until all of the pork ribs are dried. Now you're going to go ahead and marinate your meat. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of soy sauce for seafood, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, white pepper to taste, half a tablespoon of oil. Add your ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give that a quick mix. And then add 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch to seal in that flavor. Then you're going to put it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. Half an hour is the best, but at least 10 minutes is good. While the pork ribs are marinating, cut up your rice noodles and pull them apart.
So now you have something that looks like this. Just take a piece here and just pull it apart. See that? Pulling it apart. Pull it apart again. So you have thickness similar to kind of like this here.
Now let's steam our pork ribs. Place the pork ribs inside the pot once the water is boiling and set the timer for 30 minutes. The big reveal. Also, if you want to go ahead and add that garnish, make sure to cut up some green onion and add that right on top. Now, this is the part where you decide to either eat this with rice or rice noodles. I am team nudes all the way. Let's strain out that excess liquid and pour that into a pot to heat up. Add oil into a large wok or pan, whatever it is you got, and add some green onions just to stir fry for a bit. Add the pork juice into the pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We are going to thicken it by adding a slurry, which contains 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Once the juice comes to a boil, add your rice noodles and then add your pork ribs, and then voila, you got one pan meal that basically feeds about 5 to 6 people.
Pork rib that we made here, very juicy. Here's another piece. Okay, so let's go ahead and taste test this. Eat with chopsticks, eat with your hand. Okay, if you guys like this video and like what we made here today, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you made this or you're gonna try it out. See you guys next time.